Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the hardware and updating the system. This prevents failed enrollments. Once done, plug the laptop in or ensure battery is above 20% so the process won't stop. Now open Settings, navigate to Accounts, and then Sign-in options. Find Windows Hello or Fingerprint. You'll see prompts to verify your current PIN or password. Enter that. This step links your identity to the device and prepares the system to capture a secure biometric template. You'll now perform the actual enrollment. Place the chosen finger on the sensor exactly as the animation shows. Lift and rest it when prompted. Make sure to roll the finger slightly and capture different contact points. This improves recognition across angles and reduces false rejects. If prompted, add an alternate finger so you have a backup. Once progress hits 100%, you'll get confirmation. Make sure to test unlocking once. If the reader fails, redo that finger immediately for a better template. You'll finish by enabling fingerprint authentication for sign-in and any supported apps, then lock the screen and test unlocking several times. If recognition is inconsistent, gently clean the sensor with a microfiber cloth and re-enroll the finger using the same method as before. Make sure drivers and firmware are current. Update them if needed. If problems persist, check biometric settings in BIOS or UEFI, and as a last step, use the manufacturer's diagnostic tools or support line.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.